Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious potato soup without bacon. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 pounds of potatoes, peeled and diced, along with 4 cups of vegetable broth. Don't forget 1 cup of milk or cream for that lovely richness. We'll also use 1 small onion and 2 celery stalks to build our flavor base. Get ready for a comforting meal. Now, let's start building those wonderful flavors. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onion and celery, cooking them until they become soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. This step creates a fantastic aromatic foundation for your soup. Next, it's time to add the main star, the potatoes. Pour in your diced potatoes and the 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are perfectly fork tender. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Now for the finishing touches. To thicken your soup, mash some of the cooked potatoes directly in the pot. Then, slowly stir in 1 cup of milk or cream until it's perfectly blended and creamy. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. A sprinkle of fresh chives adds a wonderful touch. Serve your homemade potato soup hot and enjoy every comforting spoonful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.